The Chicco Corso LE travel system stands out as a thoughtfully designed stroller and car seat combination that works well from the newborn stage through the toddler years. Its stroller frame offers flexible seating options, allowing you to switch between parent-facing and forward-facing positions, or use it as a lightweight carrier for the infant seat. The seat itself reclines to multiple positions, pairs with an adjustable footrest, and sits under a large extendable canopy with mesh ventilation, so babies stay comfortable on longer outings. Parents will appreciate the smooth ride from the adjustable rear suspension and large foam-filled tires, along with the easy one-handed fold that stands upright without the handle touching the ground. The included KeyFit Max ClearTex infant car seat is straightforward to install securely thanks to premium connectors, a force-amplifying tightener, and clear angle indicators that help you dial in the correct position. As your child grows, the car seat's extendable headrest and no rethread harness make it simple to maintain a safe rear-facing setup, while the removable newborn inserts give very small babies a snug, well-supported fit.